Leftover rice and leftover spam. Fried rice. Golden fried rice. Find out what makes this fried rice glow. And learn how to give it a twist. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen.
Hello. Good afternoon to all of you. It's Sunday noon here in Holland. In Eindhoven, your Korean uncle here. Warm welcome back to our small kitchen. Today I'm cooking something very easy because we have leftover rice and spam from yesterday's lunch at the kitchen at the garden, and I acquired here from Dennis. Thank you, Dennis. This is taba ng talangka. These are crab fat, pure fat. And maybe you already guessed what we're cooking today. It is fried rice with talangka, or fried rice with taba ng talangka. So what do we need? We need garlic. Wait, I also need some fresh towels. Yeah, it's easy to just, yeah. And you know what, this spam pieces are on the salty side, so I don't know if I'm gonna mix them here. I already washed my hands, by the way. Yeah, I already washed my hands. This is something I didn't used to, or this is something I didn't like to do before. Breaking the rice grains by hand. Well, it's needed. It's part of cooking. Cameraman, remind me when I leave anything open, because that usually happens. And since this is more than enough for this, I might as well cook all this and save the rest for my other recipes later. So I'm adding more garlics now. I'll add more oil because I'll be cooking the entire jar for future use. Have I told you that this bottle or this jar came from Dennis? You should have seen him in our ampalaya ampalaya con huevo, or ampalaya with egg. And we add the taba ng talangka. This is pure fat. Be careful when eating this. It's really high in calorie. Easy on this. I remember Don Enrico's pasta recipe with this as a sauce. I'll be making that, by the way, soon. This is too much for just the fried rice. I'll be saving the rest for the other recipes. We'll continue with our fried rice. Are we going to add the spam here? Cameraman, do you want that? You get more rice here, still good. I'll add this as well. That's it. Yeah, still good. might as well add this. They're a bit salty, so it's best to add them to the fried rice. I'm adding them now. This should be good now. Look how lovely it is. It looks like paella, but if you can only taste it. This should be good now. To accompany our fried rice with taba ng talangka or crab fat, I'm frying eggs. Sunny side up. While filming, you might have seen this. These are the harvests. Oh, from my garden. They might be tiny, but they're sweet. I don't know what to do with them. I still have much from the garden.
Not too much salt.
The pan is, the oil is not yet hot.
Not too much. The salt.
I really have a problem with this, with the stove's orientation. I need to learn using my left hand. If we didn't have this wall, it could have been an issue. Or if the stove was there, fronting. Of course, this kitchen was not designed for YouTubing. That's why I always say, welcome to our small kitchen. To make the limitations obvious to you. By the way, another channel is born. Channel 1 has a new brother channel, and that's dedicated for traveling, for the beauty of the earth, the beauty and sound of the earth, for people, events, and places. Or let's reverse the order, for places, events, and people. I have attached a link to the channel below in the description box and also on the icon above. Just click if you're more interested in travels and places. Our egg is ready. This is our sinangag with crab fat. A quick and easy breakfast. Thank you for joining your Kuya today. This is the middle of September, and I hope to have you again at our garden and at our other channel, places, events, and people. Until next time, bye-bye.